This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 18TO is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Forest River is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features one Slideout, a SEQUOIA interior, Sleep 7, LP Detector, water heater, awning, microwave, Colorado Detector, Skylight, stove top burner, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 18TO is 3,797 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.